As part of the BBB Wise Giving Alliance Building Trust series, we're here with Nancy Kelly, Executive Director, Health Volunteers Overseas. What is the mission of Health Volunteers Overseas?
Health Volunteers Overseas is an organization dedicated to improving the quality and access to health care in resource-scarce countries through the training, education, and professional development of healthcare workers in those countries.
How does collaboration help expand the reach of your programs?
Well, when you're an organization as small as HVO, partnership and collaboration is absolutely key to being able to have an impact. And we partner with, obviously, many institutions overseas. I think at this point it's about 85 institutions overseas. But we also collaborate with healthcare associations in the U.S., American Society of Clinical Oncology, American Dental Association, etc. We have about 17 professional associations that we partner with. And we also partner with other NGOs, US-based or in the countries where we work. And the idea is to maximize our impact by collaborating and partnering with other groups.
How are you using data to improve and target your services?
Well, there's a lot of data that's being collected around the world by the World Health Organization, by ministries of health, etc., and by the teaching institutions where we work. So as the healthcare needs change over time, we're finding that the thrust of our programs needs to change over time. So for example, in sub-Saharan Africa 30 years ago, we were very concerned about polio and its implications for healthcare workers and the provision of services. Now we're much more concerned about trauma, especially road traffic accidents, which have just become almost an epidemic. And so we are focusing much more energy and resources on training around trauma. The other source of data that informs our projects is the global shortage of healthcare providers, which is huge now and projected to get larger over time. So we are also working with institutions to help them design and develop programs that will encourage people to come into the workforce and to stay in the workforce.
How does your organization communicate trustworthiness to your donors?
The Better Business Bureau endorsement was something that we worked very hard to get. I think it is a wonderful thing to be able to say to people that we meet all 20 criteria or 20 standards established by the Better Business Bureau. People will ask what they are, and when I sort of give an overview of the standards, people are very impressed that an organization as small as HVO can meet all of those standards.